Hi you guys, it's another quick video from me just giving an update on the stuff I've made so far from Jenny's Countdown to Christmas. So today I'm going to be talking about the fabric from day 3, so stay tuned. Okay, so remember day 3 I unboxed the bag with the 5-inch squares in it, so the little charm pack. It was 42 pieces in the pack, and this is the Holiday Dreams 5 Carat Gems from Wilmington Prince, and it was this lovely pack of reds and greens, and I still have quite a bit of red fabric left, but I shared a peek of it before. This little Christmas tree. It sits on a pedestal. Isn't it just darling? I really love how it turned out with the different shades of green. And my husband made the pedestal for me, and he made it so that, let's see if I can show you, that it's just pressure fit. So we can take it off for easy storing after the holidays. And on the bottom, he put in a snowflake for me. I still need to stain around the snowflake so it really pops, but isn't that gorgeous? So the idea is, if we don't decide to put up the tree one year, we could just set it this way, put maybe like a little candle in the center or something. But I love versatile things, and he's really good at woodworking. So isn't this cute? I'm really happy with the tree. I've been trying to decide if I want to put a star or something at the top or just leave it as is. But look at that. So I had enough green to make this tree in that pack. And then I still, of course, made the hanger. And somebody did ask what I did on the back. And this is just some leftover red that I had from another project. So that's all the back is. And then, of course, the slot for putting the hanger through. But so I still had red and green to do from that pack to do the star around here, and then I had to pull some green since I used so much on the tree for the ends, and then the background white I had on hand. That was a lot of fabric in that little charm pack, I think. And I love this fabric. It's very classic colors, classic reds and greens, classic prints, and it's just beautiful. And I actually love pulling in that I pulled in this lighter green because it really helps the star area pop. But so that's what I've been doing with my stuff from the box so far. I had the tree done, I had the hanger done, and then I showed the zipper pouches from before. So really a lot of fun with this box so far. So keep on watching, you guys. I'm gonna unbox some more bags. Hopefully there's some more projects that I can work on in there and share with you guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.